If, like me, you are a complete tight arse, in the corner of your garage, you've probably got something like this, which is a collection of old safety specs. Now, I won't throw these away until the arms fall off. I'm just too tight. And they're a bit like Christmas underpants. You kind of get a nice, crispy, fresh pair for Christmas, and you save them for best for seeing the ladies. And you try and keep them as best you can for as long as possible, but gradually they get demoted down your drawers to the point where you don't wear them at the gym anymore. And they look like that. You can't see through them, absolutely useless. Now I save these ones for like undersealing under cars and stuff, so should they get coated in paints or underseal and stuff, they can be lobbed, but that's rare. Or I demote them to a hippie headband. However, I was on a Facebook group recently and they were polishing polycarbonate, and I was thinking, I'm pretty sure these are polycarbonate or something similar. So I reckon using the very simple home tools they use to do that, we can polish the scratches out of these and make them good again. So that's what we're going to try and do today, because if we can restore old glasses and make them good again, rock and roll. Let's see if it works. If anyone's seen my DIY alloy wheel polishing guide, I'll put a link to that up above if you want to check it out. You'll know I've got a pretty basic polishing kit. I've got 3 grades of mop. I've got the Sisal Mop, which is the hard one, does the bulk of work on alloy wheels, and I use that with the coarse black polishing compound. I've also got the medium mops, which are a lot softer, and that's used with the green, in my case, medium compound. And then we've got the finishing mop, which I'll be honest, I use it very, very rarely because I tend to finish alloy wheels and stuff by hand. And that is used with the fine grade, in my case, blue polishing compound. Now all these are cheap to buy online. I get mine from eBay and stuff, and I will put a link in the description below should you want to purchase them, so it's a simple click and buy. But today we're going to be using the soft mop and the fine grade compound to do our glasses. I suspect these would be too harsh and generate too much heat, probably melt the glasses. So we're going to start with the soft ones. So we're going to start with these ones, which are ones I do occasionally use. They're scratched, but they're still usable, I guess. There definitely seems to be an improvement. So scratches on one side, look, and most of the scratches have gone from the other. Not quite perfect yet, so I'm going to keep going. Been at it for about 5 minutes. I'm trying not to apply too much pressure because I don't know what damage it'll cause. So I'm being patient with it. I'll keep going for a few more minutes. "10 minutes in, there's a definite improvement there. I dread to think how long it'd take to polish a sheet of this stuff there. That'd be ridiculous. Yeah, 10 minutes. We've got a clean, pretty good looking lens. Now because I'm lazy, I've got another pair of the same brand glasses, which we're going to do an experiment with. I'm putting the medium wheel on. Now it's already coated in black coarse wax, unfortunately. I'm going to use the medium compound, and hopefully that'll wear off pretty quickly. I'm kind of curious to see if a medium will do the same or if it'll just knacker them, and how long it takes. So was it worth 25 minutes of my life polishing plastic glasses? Maybe. So the medium polishing mop looked to do a really good job. So the scratches have gone, that's the scratch side and the clear side's there. It looks good at first glance. However, when you put them on, it's not so good. So you've got the scratch side, which is rubbish to look through, but the other side is now clearer, but it's got a misty finish to it. So it's not much clearer to see through than the scratch side, daft as it sounds. Also, it's got a kind of rippled effect, so you can't really see it, I don't think, in the cameras. But it's slightly damaged the surface, so the medium polishing mop isn't the way to go. Because that rippliness, you could use it again as emergency glasses, but that'd be annoying, it really would, because I'm quite fussy about having nice sight through glasses. So medium polishing mop is a fail as far as I'm concerned. better than the original, but not much. The soft mop. So we've got the scratch side there and the polish side. Now they don't look at first glance as good as the medium mop, but they're actually better. First thing is apparent when you put them on is it's not got that same rippliness, so it's there a little bit, but it's not terrible, so it's not damaged the surface like the medium mop did. However, they are still not perfect, so they're a little bit misty, they are a little bit ripply when you move your head, so by no means are they back to how they were when you bought them new. So if you're looking for a new pair of glasses out of this little project, then I don't think you're going to get it, at least not spending the amount of time I have. So that took a good 10 minutes, and so to finish a pair of glasses you're looking at 20-25 minutes. And whether it's worth spending 25 minutes in front of a polishing mop, slowly dying, or put your hand in your pocket and buy a new pair for £3, I think that would probably be my option. But interesting experiment, kind of a fail, kind of a win. Cheers guys, hope that helps, bye bye.